You can guess.
Will they not get offended?
No, absolutely not.
Hi, I'm Jelly, and I am learning Vietnamese. And honestly, it still confuses me sometimes. So today, I'm meeting my Vietnamese teacher in this cafe, and I asked her to explain Vietnamese pronouns to me like I'm learning this for the first time.
Xin chào.
Chào bạn.
You can say that, but
It doesn't sound very natural, right?
yeah, it sounds a little distant. So,
Chào em.
chào chị.
Okay, so we already changed the pronouns.
You know, in Vietnamese, we don't use one word for you and I. Pronouns depend on your age and your relationship.
But I'm older than you, and you're my teacher. So why do I call you Em?
Because I'm younger than you, so you can call me Em, and I can call you Chị.
So age really matters.
Yes, very much. So now, let's practice.
Em tên là gì?
Em tên là Ngân. Chị tên là gì?
Chị tên là Jelly.
Chị là người nước nào?
Chị là người Philippines.
Rất vui được gặp chị.
Rất vui được gặp em.
Rất tốt.
So I have a question. What if the person is older than me?
So if you are younger, you usually call yourself em. For older women, call them chị. For older men, call them anh. Yeah.
So what if my boss is younger than me?
Remember, we have talked about that. In Vietnam, your age is more important than your
Position?
That's right. So just call them em if they are younger than you.
So I really have to think before I speak. But what if I don't know their age?
You can guess if they are older or younger than you.
Will they not get offended?
No, absolutely not.
So let me check if I understand. Em, younger person. Chị, older woman. Anh, older man.
Wow, so Vietnamese pronouns are not just about grammar, they're all about respect, right? Thank you so much, teacher. Cảm ơn.
Do you miss something?
Cảm ơn em.
Không có gì chị.
So if you're learning Vietnamese and you're confused, you're not alone. This has been Jelly, and this is
Ngân.
We'll see you in the next cafe.